Hey guys, Ken Stretz Tactical. Quick shout out to my buddy Kevin Estella, Fieldcraft Survival. Looking for a modular solution to help better organize my med kit, which I kept in a plastic bag like this in my armrest. So Kevin's like, dude, you got to check out the Fieldcraft Survival Mobility Visor panel. So check it out. Here it is. It's a, I use the term card for lack of a better term. It's got Velcro straps on the back. There's 3 of them. You stick this on your visor. You loop these straps through and around. They secure in place, and the Velcro on here is pretty strong. Locks into place really easy. Put that on your visor. Then you have another panel here with Velcro, and it's got some elastic molly here. That goes on there. You can see with the red pull handles, right? So it comes right off. Has a panel. Then you have multiple pouches. You got 4 pouches you can choose from. You got the med pouch, which is marked with a red or kind of an orange cross with the Fieldcraft logo on it and a red pull handle. You got kind of a general purpose pouch with the Fieldcraft logo on it. Also has a pull tab on it. They're Velcro backed, right? So you take these and just stick them right on here, and they're locked into place with the Velcro there. So you have a couple different options. If something went down and say a car accident or God forbid an active shooter, and you needed both of these pouches, you grab your red pull handle, you got the whole card, run over, aid the injured motorist or God forbid the victim of the active shooter. Or if it's just one of those deals where you just need one thing, maybe you need some aspirin, you got a headache or whatever it is, you need a flashlight for something, maybe you got some tools to fix your car or whatever it is, you have a more of an admin pouch here, you can just pull that off. There's 2 other pouches. You have, I believe this one is called the admin pouch. It's got a little panel here that you can see through. You stick your registration or your insurance card in there. So you get in an accident or you get pulled over by the police, you can access it real quickly by just reaching up on your visor panel. And in this one, I believe they call it the mesh pouch. It's got a little extra mesh zippered compartment on the outside, and all 4 of them are the same on the inside, same amount of space, and they got a little mesh kind of retaining pocket on the inside as well. And then they got these nice pull tabs on here, but if it's hanging from the visor that gets in your way, you just tuck them in when you zip it up and they're out of your way. So 4 different pouches to choose from there. One of the things they talk about is not attaching something like scissors or your flashlight on the outside of a pouch, or if you were going to stick it in a little molly elastic here, you get in a car accident or something like that, it goes flying out, hits you in the eye. So if you're going to get something like EMT scissors to put in here, get the foldable ones. They do sell them. And what I love about it is I can take this from my car to my range bag. So if I'm teaching a class, pull this off, stick this on the Velcro that's on the outside of my range bag. Something happens, I can tell a student, hey, run back there, and we do a med brief anyway, right? Run back there, look for the red cross, pull that whole panel off, and bring it down and render aid to anyone, God forbid, might have got injured in a class. I could also take it from my car, put it on my patrol bag as a police officer. So I have a modular solution that works in my car for something I might run into off duty while driving, something I could use on the range to render aid, God forbid somebody got hurt on the range, and I can also use it on patrol as a police officer. One solution for 3 individual scenarios. So go check it out, the Fieldcraft Survival Mobility Visor Panel. That's a mouthful. Check them out, guys, and thanks again to my buddy Kevin Estella.